Hey guys, I'm Seth and what I have today is a New Holland LT190B. We're going to walk around this machine and take a look at the major components, and then we're going to start it up. Okay, so here's the right hand undercarriage if you're sitting in the machine. The track's in very good condition. It's like new, as you can see here. The sprocket, the rest of the undercarriage, your final drives and everything. As you can see here, the right side sheet metal and everything is in very good condition. It has new paint and decals on the loader arms and everything. We have a general purpose bucket here, a New Holland general purpose bucket. The cutting edge is worn down pretty good past the end of the bucket, as you can see right here. And it is dented up some on the sides. The loader arms and everything are in good condition. The pins are tight. Okay, here's the left-hand undercarriage if you're sitting in the machine. Track's in really good shape. Sprockets underneath, they're in good shape. Final drive's in nice shape. Left-hand side of the machine's nice. As you can see here, the paint's really good. Going around to the back of the machine. There's a dent right there. Some scrapes and scuffs and whatnot. Nothing major though. It's inside the engine compartment. It's all nice and clean. Inside there. Here's up underneath the machine. Rear part of the cab. Glass is in there. Seats in very nice condition. There's no rips or anything, as you can see here. Here's your serial number plate. N5M416734. Hour meter reading 988.3 hours. Here's your left joystick. It's in good operating condition. Your right joystick, everything works well. You have your other functions on there. 2-speed, horn, and everything else there. Key switch, front instrument panel. Okay guys, it's a good running and operating machine. Sorry I couldn't give you a better view of it running and operating. I don't have a cameraman today, but it has the auxiliary hydraulics and everything. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at one of the links below. If you could also, right at the bottom of this video, like it, comment on it, share it if you want, and give me any suggestions. Thanks a lot.